Hey there friends, so I removed a skid plate from my Tundra here. It's getting a little rusty and I want to try to prevent that if possible. So mine was just held on with three 12 millimeter screws. Probably, it seems like there's some missing, but anyways, I might get some more. So I'll show you what I did. So here it is here, and the only screws that are attached was one here, here, and then the front there. So I just took a bucket of soapy water and I cleaned it all up as much as I could, and then I took some 120 sandpaper, okay, and just kind of scuffed it up. So I'm going to be using this, I tried to get as much rust off as I could, just kind of sandpaper it and stuff. And then after washing that off and drying it real good, I actually used a blower, a leaf blower, to dry it off, and that works really great. So, and then you can just wipe off the excess if there's any dust or anything with a dry cloth. I was gonna just dry it with a dry cloth, and I was like, why not just use my leaf blower? And then that gets the water out of all the little crevices and everything. And it doesn't take very long at all. So, it's all dry now. I'm gonna be applying a coat of Rustoleum truck bed coating on this, and actually I'll be doing a couple coats, but I'm gonna do one right now and see how that turns out. So let's start that, shall we? Alright friends, so I have this truck bed. It's Rustoleum truck bed, professional grade, stops rust. It's black, and hopefully it matches the rest of the stuff. I'm going to be doing my bumpers as well with this, so just give it a shot at this under one first and see how well it does and how it looks. So it says to shake the can for a minute while the bottle's rattling, or the ball's rattling in there, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay friends, so here we go. Shook for about a couple minutes here. Only asked for a minute, so just going to kind of go back and forth. Supposed to hold the can upright, so I don't know if it's going to work too good like this, about 10 inches away. Kind of do shake the can while you're doing it. I'm just going to do like one kind of light coat if I can. Just got a little bit of munch there maybe. And we'll try to get the texture down. So it looks just kind of like light coating. Does a trick, just kind of light back and forth. Okay, so that's looking pretty good already. I'm gonna try to get these edges, hit these edges pretty good. Looking pretty amazing actually. So still shaking like kind of vigorously, but I'm thinking that looks pretty sweet. I got a little bit heavy right here. This is kind of my practice before I go hit my bumper, so it seems like just the back and forth kind of sweeping, this is doing the best. Short bursts maybe. Seems like it's giving a nice texture there, so trying to hit my edges. Alright, so with this, that looks pretty good, I have to say. I'm going to be doing 2 coatings, so hold can 12, remove overspray from the auto finish. The best will apply 2 coats. Allow products to dry for 1 to 2 minutes between coats. So that's not very long at all. I can probably just shake the can for a little while, and 1 to 2 minutes between coats is nothing. So let's see. Dry and recoat times. Air dry for a minimum of 1 hour. Allow times the surface can be recoated within 1 hour or 2 after 24 hours. 2 coats. Allow product to dry 1 to 2 minutes between coats. So 2 coats. It's saying dry and recoat times are recoated with 1 hour. So maybe I could do 2 coats within 2 minutes, and then wait it dry for an hour, and then do another coat. Is that what it sounds like? So I'm thinking that looks pretty sweet from what it looked like before. Just gonna I'm gonna give us a minute or 2 here, and then I'll be right back, and we'll put another misting on here. All right, friends. So it's pretty tacky, like right away. So it should be able to put another coat on here. I'm just gonna do the same thing as before, just kind of short bursts of back and forth motion here. And it seems to get the kind of nice textured look on there. So it is spitting a little bit, some bubbles, so just gotta keep an eye on that. So there's coat number 2. And I'm thinking that looks pretty good. I do have a couple little spots where it did a spray there. Not too big of a deal there. I'm not really worried about this. Is my underpan here, and my skid plate. So I'll flip it over, wait a couple minutes, flip that over, and I'll put some coats on the other side as well. So let's do that. All right, friends. So here we go, doing the other side, and pretty happy with that dries pretty quick there. Like I can touch it in a few minutes and it's not even wet anymore. So now try to hit this from all angles here. Yeah. Okay, so it's looking pretty good there, and I'll get this front a little bit more. Seems where I had most of my issues here. So you've got to kind of go around to like a 360 angle around it to get all the edges and everything. I'll wait about a minute and then we'll do another coat on there. So it's going pretty quick. All right, here we go. Just gonna try to go get over that spots we missed a little bit. Seems like a little bit heavy there. Just trying to coat the difficult places here. Maybe around the edges seem to be the problematic spots that were getting the rust there early on. Trying to get those pretty good. Well, I got that one a little heavy there. That's kind of close. So definitely don't want to get too close like that. And looks a little bit kind of like more like wet than like textured. But I think if I do like a textured blast over the top, might clean it up a little bit. I'm just trying to get inside there. So I'm thinking that looks like 1,000 times better. And hopefully this will keep it from rusting. So that's what it is. It's the Rustoleum truck bed pro grade black fade abrasion resistant. It's supposed to be pretty gnarly stuff. There's no peel promise, and looks like it's going on pretty good there. I might do a second coat here after it dries for about an hour. But all in all, if you look at the before when I started and the after, this thing looks amazing. Let's go in for kind of a closer look here. And that's kind of what we're dealing with there. If you remember what it looked like before, it all had some rust spots and stuff like that. So yeah, I got a couple little splatter spots and junk. But all in all, I think it looks pretty amazing. So I'll be putting this back on there, maybe do another coat here in about an hour or so, and then we'll be putting it back up. But thanks for watching this video. I'll put a link in the description below if I can find it for this Rustoleum product on Amazon if you guys want to check it out. I'm pretty happy with it. Like already you can see it's already dry, so it dries, gets kind of tacky really quick. So if you just kind of do light back and strays, this is my first try using this stuff, so I'm not the greatest, and you see the little speckles there, but not really going to whine about that. It's underneath my truck. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.